Hi, let's discuss some more example of decrease and conquer recursive algorithm. Example 5a, algorithm do n, this is the function name. If n equals to 1, return n, else do n minus 1, it is a recursive call to same function. Then do n minus 1, again it is a recursive call, then call b. So this is our basic operation. We can represent this basic operation in a recurrence relation. So its recurrence relation will be t of n equals to 2t n minus 1 plus 1. If this b function running time is big O of 1 or big O of some constant, then you can write 1 here. And t of n minus 1 due to this function call, again another t of n minus 1 due to this function call. So it is 2t n minus 1. Let b function order of growth is big O of 1. So you can write 1 here. And it is true for n greater than 1. When n will be 1, will return 1. So t of 1 equals to 1. We got the recurrence relation. Next, we will apply the backward substitution method for finding the order of growth. Our recurrence relation is t of n equals to 2t n minus 1 plus 1. In place of t of n minus 1, we can substitute 2t n minus 2 plus 1. Let's substitute. After substitution, we will get 2 before it was given. Now in place of t of n minus 1, I am substituting this, and before 1 was given. Now after multiplication 2 will get 2 square t n minus 2, then 2 multiplication 1, it will be 2 plus 1. Again in place of t of n minus 2, we can substitute 2t n minus 3 plus 1. So let's substitute. 2 square was before, so 2 square. In place of t of n minus 2, we substitute 2t n minus 3 plus 1. Before there was 2 plus 1, so we are writing 2 plus 1. Now 2 square multiplication 2, it will be 2 power 3 t n minus 3. Then 2 square multiplication 1, it will be 2 square. Before 2 plus 1 was given, so we'll write as it is. Like this it will continue. From this we can get a general pattern that 2 power I t n minus I plus 2 power I minus 1. You can mark here when it is 2 power 3, last term is 2 power 2. So when it is I, we'll write 2 power I minus 1. Like this it will continue. 2 square plus 2 plus 1. Now for this we have a formula. We can substitute that. This value we can write as 2 power I minus 1. 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 up to 2 power n, that is equals to 2 power n plus 1 minus 1. We just use this formula. By using this formula we are getting 2 power I minus 1. Now compare this recurrence relation with the initial condition. Initial condition is t of 1 equals to 1. Just assume n minus I equals to 1. So I value will be n minus 1. Now substitute in this recurrence relation. So 2 power I, that will be 2 power n minus 1, and t of n minus I, in place of n minus I will substitute 1. So it will be t of 1. Then 2 power I, 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. Now this t of 1 is 1. 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n minus 1, it will be 2 power n minus 1. So running time will be big O of 2 power n. Now time for do n will be time for do n minus 1 plus time for do n minus 1 plus 1. So time for this tn will be time for tn minus 1 plus time for tn minus 1 plus 1. So I'll write 1 here. Next, time for n minus 1 will be time for n minus 2 plus time for n minus 2 plus 1. Again, time for n minus 1 will be time for n minus 2 plus time for n minus 2 function call plus 1. So 1, 1, it will be 2. Next, t of n minus 2, that will be time for n minus 3 plus time for n minus 3 plus 1. So for this plus 1, for t of n minus 2 plus 1, again for this plus 1 plus 1. So after addition, we'll get 4, or we can write 2 power 2. Like this, it will continue. Finally, we reach to initial condition, that is t of 1. Let's assume there are k terms, so it will be 2 power k. Now order of growth will be add all these terms, so 1 plus 2 square up to 2 power k. That formula is 2 power k plus 1 minus 1. Then just follow this pattern n minus 1, n minus 2. Just assume this is t n minus k. T n minus k is t of 1. So k value will be n minus 1. In place of this k, just substitute n minus 1. 2 power k plus 1, so 2 power n minus 1. Before 1 plus 1 was given, just write plus 1, then minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. We'll get 2 power n minus 1. And running time will be big O of 2 power n. In both backward substitution and recursion tree method, we are getting the same answer. I will discuss another method, that is the master method later. There also will get the same answer. Let's discuss next example 5b. This is just variation of this. Suppose this b function running time will be big O of n. It was 1, so here it was 1. Suppose it will be big O of n. We can write the recurrence relation as 2t n minus 1 plus n. N for this b function, for n greater than 1, t of 1 equals to 1. Rest are same. Just if b function running time is big O of n, we can write n here. Now we got the recurrence relation. Let's apply the backward substitution for finding the order of growth. Now in place of this t of n minus 1, we can substitute 2t n minus 2 plus n minus 1. When it was n, here we are writing n. So when it will be n minus 1, in place of n we are writing n minus 1, here also we will write n minus 1. Now just substitute, before it was 2, in place of t n minus 1 we will substitute 2 t n minus 2 plus n minus 1. Now after multiplication, 2 multiply 2 will get 2 square t n minus 2. Next 2 multiplication n minus 1 will get 2 multiplication n minus 1, and before 1 n was given. Next, in place of this t of n minus 2, we can substitute 2t n minus 3 plus n minus 2. So after substitution, we will get 2 square, then t of n minus 2, in place of that we will substitute 2t n minus 3 plus n minus 2, plus before it was 2n minus 1 plus n, so we'll write as it is. Now simplify this. 2 square multiplication 2 will get 2 power 3, then t n minus 3, then 2 square multiplication n minus 2 will get 2 square multiplication n minus 2 plus 2 multiplication n minus 1 plus n, as it was given before. Like this it will continue. From this we can get a general pattern like 2 power I t n minus I. Here you can mark. Then 2 power I minus 1, when it is 3 it is 2. So when it is I, here we will write I minus 1, n minus I plus 1. Like this 2 square n minus 2 plus 2 n minus 1 plus n. Now just compare with the initial condition. Let n minus I equals to 1. Initial condition is t of 1 equals to 1. So I will be n minus 1. Let me substitute this value. So 2 power n minus 1. Then in place of n minus I, will substitute 1. So 2 power n minus 1, t of 1. Then 2 power I minus 1. In place of I, will substitute n minus 1. Before 1 minus 1 was given. So minus 1, it will be n minus 2. And in place of this n minus I, will substitute 1. 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Like this it will continue. Finally we will get 2 square into n minus 2 plus 2 into n minus 1 plus n. So this t of 1 value is 1. So we'll get 2 power n minus 1 multiplication 1, 2 power n minus 2 multiplication 2, like this 2 multiplication n minus 1 plus n. Now from this we can take 2 power n minus 1 as common. After taking 2 power n minus 1 as common, we'll get 1 for this. Then from this term it is n minus 2, that we can write as n minus 1 minus 1. this n minus 1, 2 power n minus 1 we are taking common, so there will be 2 power minus 1 multiplication 2. You can mark this. Next term will be 2 power minus 2 multiplication 3. Like this it will continue. Finally, we will get 2 power minus n plus 1 multiplication n. Just mark here n is given. N is given means 2 power 0 multiplication n. 2 power 0 value is 1. Now just add this to 2 power n minus 1 multiplication 2 power minus n plus 1. So it will be 2 power n minus 1 minus n plus 1. It will be cancelled. Finally, we will get 2 power 0. So if we are taking common as 2 power n minus 1, there will be term 2 power minus n plus 1. Both multiplication should be 2 power 0. Now just analyze every term. Here you can mark this is 1. This 2 power minus 1 multiplication 2, that is 2 divided 2, it is 1. Next 2 power minus 2 multiplication 3, this is 3 divided 4, it will be 0.75. You can take approximately this value is 1 or its upper bound is 1. Like this, for this term its upper bound will be 1. So we'll just add 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many term? N term. So this addition upper bound will be big O of n. Every term upper bound will be 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, we are adding n1. That's why it is big O of n. So this will be approximately 2 power n minus 1 multiplication n. Running time will be big O of n 2 power n. When in recurrence relation it was 1, running time is big O of 2 power n. When it is n, running time is n multiplication 2 power n. We solved by backward substitution method. Let's solve by the recursion tree method. So time for n will be time for n minus 1 plus time for n minus 1 plus n. You can get the recurrence relation. It is 2tn minus 1 plus n. Again for this time for n minus 1 will be time for n minus 2 plus time for n minus 2 plus n minus 1. Time for n minus 1 will be time for n minus 2 plus time for n minus 2 plus n minus 1. So n minus 1 addition will be 2 multiplication n minus 1. Now in next level, here time will be n minus 2, here it will be n minus 2, here also n minus 2, n minus 2. Now after addition of time for each term, it will be 4 multiplication n minus 2, or we can write 2 square multiplication n minus 2. So like this it will continue. Finally we will reach the initial condition, that is t of 1. At leaf level there will be t of 1. And here assume time as 2 power k multiplication n minus k. Now running time will be addition of all these. So it will be n plus 2 multiplication n minus 1 plus 2 square multiplication n minus 2 up to 2 power k n minus k. So here you can mark a pattern n, n minus 1, n minus 2. Just assume this as t of n minus k. T of n minus k equals to 1. So k value will be n minus 1. Now just substitute here. After substitution we will get n plus 2 into n minus 1 plus 2 square into n minus 2. In place of this k we will substitute n minus 1. Then n minus k, that is 1. Now just compare this with this, both are same. N is here, then 2 multiplication n minus 1, then 2 square into n minus 2, and last term is 2 power n minus 1 multiplication 1. So both are same. We already solved this. So after solving we'll get n multiplication 2 power n minus 1. So order of growth will be big O n 2 power n. Whether you solve by backward substitution or recursion tree method, you will get the same answer. Running time is big O of n 2 power n. In next lecture, I will analyze some more recurrence relation. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.